Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Planning your financial future is a fundamental step towards achieving your dreams and securing your well-being. I love talking about money. Just like learning the alphabet is a foundation for reading and writing, understanding the ABCs of investing is essential for financial literacy. So today, we will delve into the intricacies of investing, things that we should look out for when considering investment. And joining us today is FBN Quest Asset Management. Is the Vice President, Affluent, Emmanual Ohceme. So I was wondering if, because, you know, we have different names. Emmanuel Ohceme, welcome to the show. Good to have you.
Thanks for having me.
I'm looking forward to this conversation. I love talking about money. I love talking about how to grow my money. So from your perspective, what is investment and what role does it play in the financial sector?
Okay, thank you very much. So investment is that deliberate act of spotting opportunities and committing your resources. And in this case, we are talking of financial resources. So committing your financial resources to financial asset with the aim of generating returns in the form of capital gains or income. So basically, that is what investing is. And it plays a very important role in the financial sector generally. I mean, investing aids growth and development. The reason why the capital market exists in the first place is basically because of investing. So the capital market is a place where buyers and sellers of financial assets meet, you know, to sell their product in form of stocks, bonds, currencies, and the likes. So corporates go to the capital market to raise funds to finance their project, their programs. Also, the government goes there also to raise funds to finance budget. So for people who provide these funds to the users of the funds, they pay a premium in the form of interest, coupons, in one form or the other. And that is the benefit for those people who lend their monies to the users of money. So investing plays a very pivotal role in the financial system.
Awesome.
Okay. So what should people invest and how does it empower their financial future?
Okay, so investing is actually an aspect of financial planning. It's an aspect of planning. And you know what they say about planning? If you fail to plan, you already plan to fail. I think it was Warren Buffett that said, and I'm paraphrasing now, that if your money can't work for you while you sleep, then you will work for your money till you die. I mean, we all have laudable objectives that we want to achieve in life. I don't want to be a liability when I grow old. I want to live in the best houses. I want my children to go to very good schools. I want to drive that dream car. I want to be able to go on vacation when I want to. So how will all of this come? It won't happen if it remains in the realm of wishes. Because if wishes were horses, beggars will ride. Right. So I have to take that deliberate step to make sure that I commit my resources to investing opportunities in the market and make sure that my money is working for me. Sure. And it doesn't matter how small I start. And I'm saying this to everyone. It doesn't matter how, what your level is today. Start from where you are today. The next best time, if you had not been investing, to invest is now. So start from wherever you are. And at FBN Quest, we don't discriminate. We have clientele cutting across every segment of, every strata in terms of whether you are high net worth or whether you are low income earner. We have investment solutions for you. So start from where you are, and if you are investing, you are not sure what you're doing, speak to us at FBN Quest. We will be able to profile you and put you in the right investment bucket that we think will suit you and meet your investment objectives.
So having said that, what are the different types of investments and how can people know which is best for them?
Okay, so there are different types of investments. There are investments that carry high risk. There are investments that are medium risk and low risk. There are investments that are short term, there are investments that are medium term, and there are investments that are long term. So you need to understand your investor profile to know which one suits you. And that's why we are saying, talk to us. When you come to us at FBN Quest, we profile you. We understand your investor profile. We understand your risk profile. We know your objective of investing, and we're able to put you in the right investment solution that will help you meet your financial needs.
Nima?
Okay, I heard him talk about capital market, so I'm wondering, is investing in mutual funds the same thing as investing in stock markets or shares?
Okay, so mutual funds are collective investment scheme, that are managed by professional fund managers. The good thing with mutual fund is that it can be structured from any segment of the capital market, whether the fixed income space or even the equity space. So we have equity-based mutual funds. Mutual funds that invest in equity are equity-based mutual funds. And so you can invest in equities through a mutual fund. You can also invest in equities directly. At FBN Quest, we have a mutual fund, the Smart Beta Equity Fund, that has returned, a total of about 52.3% year to date. And I heard you talking, while I was listening at the lobby, you were talking about inflation and the need for people to buy what they want to buy on time. So this is the kind of investment that beats inflation, quite frankly. But of course, you would earn this kind of returns if you had stayed with us from the beginning of the year. So year to date, it has returned 52.3, and inflation, I think, is about 25.8% currently.
Wow, okay. So I wanted to ask, what does the FBN Quest Asset Management, what role do you play in helping people to get involved? What do you offer investors now? And how can somebody get started? Somebody has watched you and is feeling like, okay, maybe this is a vehicle I can use to grow my wealth. So how can they go ahead with using FBN Quest Asset Management? So
we can be contacted. We can be contacted via all our channels. You can reach us on all of the social media. We are on all the social media platforms. And our handle on social media is at FBN Quest, at FBN Quest. And you can also, check our website, www.beyondtoday.fbnquest.com. And you can also call us on our numbers as are displayed on the screen. We have two numbers there, 081-3372-6661 or 080-3922-3371. Our professionals, our colleagues will be waiting to receive your calls, and as soon as you call, someone will speak to you, and we can have appointments to further the conversation on how we can onboard you and make you a customer for you to begin to enjoy the benefits of investing with FBN Quest. Thank you so much for coming on the show today, educating. Everybody needs to learn about money, and I teach it on Mondays. We talk about it here on the show on Wednesdays. I don't like, money loves me more. Thank you. And I think that's much more important. Yeah. However, we need to plan. I love your quote, and I think if people did not hear it, we should repeat it again, because we don't want to work till we die. So we need to make sure we find a way to make our money work for us. So thank you once again, Mr. Emmanuel Ohceme, and we'll hope to see more of you, maybe other perspectives of how to invest. Stay with us. We still have a whole lot for you on the show, and if you missed out on what the numbers, it's still right on the screen right now. They'll put it back on the screen so you can munch it and reach out to them. We'll take a quick break. When we return, we'll continue with the show. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Stay tuned. Your View will be right back.